First, nasal cavity. This warms, humidifies, and filters the air before it reaches the lung, removing the harmful particles. And second, oral cavity. This is where food goes in initial intake and digestion of food and water. And the third will be trachea. This serves as the main passageway for the air to travel to the lungs, and it also has the larynx and pharynx. And the number 4 will be our lungs. This is where the air goes and where it goes to the bronchi and alveoli. alveoli. And number 5 will be the heart. This is where the circulatory system starts and brings all the oxygenated blood throughout your body. And also the sixth one will be our diaphragm, and it is really very important for our breathing and separates our chest from the abdomen. And the number 7, the last one for the respiratory system, will be blood vessel. This is where the blood goes, or the travel way to go through all out our body to give the oxygenated blood throughout our body. Thanks for watching. External jugular vein. This vein drains blood from the superficial tissue of the head and neck, including parts of the scalp, face, and our neck. And then the next one, internal jugular vein. This one, you call it, or it collects and drains the deoxygenated blood from the brain, skull, and the superficial regions of the face and neck, returning it to the heart. Then the next one, super vena cava. This returns the oxygenated blood again from the head, neck, and upper arms and chest to the right atrium of our heart. And then the next one, pulmonary artery. This carries blood from your heart to your lungs, which makes it oxygenate to spread all your throughout your body. And the next one, the coupelic vein or cephalic vein. This drain the oxygenated blood and waste products from the upper limb or from the hand, forearm, and arm, and returns it to the heart, ultimately emptying into the axillary vein. And the next one, basilic vein. This drains the oxygenated blood from the hand and forearm, returning it to the heart and lung for oxygenation to make the blood oxygenated to give it throughout your body again also. And then the next one, iliac vein. This carries the oxygenated blood from the lower limbs and pelvic region back to the heart via and the interior vena cava. And the next one, renal vein. This carries the oxygenated filtered blood from the kidneys back to the heart, which makes it not have any waste inside anymore. And the next one, femoral vein. This collects the oxygenated blood from the lower limbs and transport it back to the heart and lungs to be reoxygenated, so you can for your body to have oxygen as always. And the next one, anterior tibial vein. This carries the oxygenated blood away from the front of the lower leg and ankle, dorsum of the floor and knee joints. And the next one, small saphenous vein. This returns the deoxygenated blood from the lower leg and foot back to the heart by draining into the popliteal vein near the knee. And the next one, the top of our head again, but in the left side of our body, it's anterior carotid artery. This supplies oxygenated blood to the brain and eyes, which is letting us see and well, it's like giving us being alive still. And the next one, external carotid artery. This supplies oxygenated blood to the face, scalp, and neck through several branches, supporting the health and functionality of this tissue. It also lets us live because of letting us like show our face and like that. But the next one will be subclavian artery. This supplies oxygen-rich blood to the entire head, neck, and upper extremities. And the next one, pulmonary vein. This carries oxygen-rich blood from your lungs to your left heart's atrium. And the next one, radial artery. This supplies from blood to the forearm and head and hand, specifically the lateral thumb side of the forearm, wrist, and hand. Next one, ulnar artery. This supplies oxygen-rich blood to your forearms, wrist, and hands and fingers. That's why it shows red color. And the next one, iliac artery. This carries oxygenated blood from the aorta to the pelvis and lower limbs. And the next one, femoral artery. This delivers oxygen-rich blood and nutrients from the abdomen to the entire lower body, including the thigh, leg, and foot. And the next one, anterior tibial artery. This carries oxygenated blood to the anterior compartment of the leg and dorsal surface of the foot. And the next one, but the final one, posterior tibial artery. This supplies oxygenated blood to the muscles and posterior compartment of the leg, the sole of the and the sole of the foot. Thanks for watching, everyone, about my respiratory and circulation system. Bye.